Just a short while ago, China Eastern Airlines officially took the delivery of the very first C919, making today a historic day for China's civil aviation. Let's take a closer look.
When choosing a seat on a plane, maybe this one, the middle of the three-seat area, is your last choice. But now on this C919 plane, this is 0.5 inches wider than the rest to provide a much more comfortable experience. And here are the lights. To cater to people's different needs, you can change to different scenarios by just clipping the button.
是一个智能的显示屏，所有的飞机上的数据到这里，它会经过一个处理，然后显示出来。就像我们这个是对于我们维修人员来说，就是一个强大的支持。如果有什么故障的话，它基本上会从传感器到这里计算以后，就会给出我们精准的那个排布方案。